A quality mechanical keyboard can enhance your typing and gaming experience, offering satisfying key feedback, reliable performance, and lasting durability. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best mechanical keyboards of 2026, highlighting options that stand out for typing feel, build quality, customization, and overall value. Whether you're working, gaming, or creating content, there may be a mechanical keyboard here that fits your needs. You can find all the product links in the description below. 1. Razer Pro Type Ultra. The Razer Pro Type Ultra combines premium build quality, exceptional typing comfort, and versatile wireless connectivity in a sleek, professional design. Unlike many mechanical keyboards that feature bold, flashy styling, this model keeps things clean and sophisticated with its soft white finish, making it an excellent fit for home offices, creative studios, and modern workspaces alike. One of its biggest strengths is its comfortable typing experience. It features quiet mechanical switches that provide satisfying tactile feedback while keeping noise levels low, making it ideal for shared offices or anyone who prefers a quieter keyboard. The soft touch-coated keycaps add to the premium feel, while the included plush leatherette wrist rest helps reduce wrist fatigue during long hours of typing. Another standout feature is its ability to connect wirelessly to multiple devices, allowing you to switch seamlessly between a desktop computer, laptop, or tablet with minimal effort. Its long-lasting battery provides dependable performance throughout the day, especially when RGB lighting is adjusted to suit your preferences. The sturdy construction gives the keyboard a solid, high-quality feel, and every keystroke feels smooth and consistent. Whether you're writing reports, coding, editing videos, creating content, or simply handling everyday computer tasks, the Razer Pro Type Ultra delivers an excellent balance of comfort, reliability, and premium performance, making it one of the most impressive mechanical keyboards available today. 2. Keychron Q5 Max. The Keychron Q5 Max is a keyboard that has earned an outstanding reputation among enthusiasts for its premium construction and incredible customization options. At first glance, the all-metal CNC machined aluminum body immediately conveys durability and craftsmanship. This is a keyboard built to last for years while maintaining its premium appearance. One of the biggest highlights is its gasket-mounted design, which creates a softer and more comfortable typing feel by reducing vibrations and producing a smoother keystroke. The keyboard also includes multiple layers of acoustic foam that help create a refined typing sound many users find incredibly satisfying. The Q5 Max supports both wired and wireless connectivity, making it flexible enough for different work environments. Hot swappable switch sockets allow users to replace compatible switches without soldering, making future upgrades simple and accessible even for beginners. The keyboard also supports extensive key remapping and customization, allowing users to personalize shortcuts, layouts, and functions to suit their workflow. Its compact 96% layout preserves nearly all the keys found on a full-size keyboard while saving valuable desk space. High-quality PBT keycaps resist shine and wear over time, ensuring the keyboard maintains its premium appearance even after years of daily use. Whether you're working on documents, programming, creating content, or simply looking for a more refined typing experience, the Keychron Q5 Max delivers a combination of durability, flexibility, and customization that makes it a standout choice for mechanical keyboard users. 3. YUNZII AL80. The YUNZII AL80 is a mechanical keyboard that delivers premium features in a compact and stylish package while offering an excellent balance of quality, performance, and versatility. The aluminum construction gives the keyboard a solid and durable feel that immediately stands out compared to many plastic alternatives. Its compact 80% layout strikes an excellent balance by saving desk space while still keeping dedicated function keys available for everyday productivity. One of the most enjoyable aspects of the AL80 is its typing experience. Thanks to its gasket-mounted structure and carefully designed internal sound-dampening materials, every key press feels smooth and controlled while producing a pleasant sound profile. The keyboard also includes hot swappable switches, allowing users to experiment with different compatible switch types without complicated modifications. Wireless flexibility is another major advantage, with Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB connectivity, making it easy to use across desktops, laptops, and tablets. Battery life is impressive, allowing for extended usage between charges depending on lighting preferences. The vibrant RGB lighting offers numerous customization options for those who enjoy adding personality to their workspace, while software support allows users to adjust lighting effects and key functions to better match their individual workflow. Whether you're typing, programming, working on creative projects, or simply upgrading your desktop setup, the YUNZII AL80 provides a comfortable, customizable, and reliable mechanical keyboard experience that makes it a strong option for a wide range of users. 4. Corsair K100 RGB. The Corsair K100 RGB is a feature-packed mechanical keyboard that has remained one of Corsair's flagship models thanks to its premium construction, exceptional responsiveness, and extensive customization capabilities. The aluminum frame provides outstanding rigidity while maintaining an elegant, premium appearance that fits beautifully into modern desktop setups. One of the keyboard's standout features is its dedicated media controls and precision volume wheel, allowing quick adjustments without interrupting your workflow. The keyboard also includes additional programmable macro keys, giving users convenient access to frequently used commands, shortcuts, or creative software functions. RGB lighting is one of the most advanced available, offering per-key customization along with dynamic lighting effects that can be personalized through Corsair's software. The double-shot PBT keycaps provide excellent durability and maintain their texture over time, resisting the glossy appearance that often develops with heavy use. Comfort during extended typing sessions is enhanced by the detachable cushioned wrist rest, while the overall typing experience remains smooth, responsive, and highly consistent. The K100 RGB also offers a high polling rate, contributing to fast input responsiveness that benefits both productivity and everyday computer tasks. Multiple onboard profiles make it easy to carry customized settings between different systems without repeated configuration. Whether you're creating content, managing work tasks, editing media, or simply looking for a premium mechanical keyboard with extensive features, the Corsair K100 RGB delivers a refined combination of performance, customization, and durability. 5. Aula F75 Pro. The Aula F75 Pro is a mechanical keyboard that has quickly become a favorite among users for its premium features, compact design, and impressive overall performance. Its compact 75% layout keeps the most commonly used keys while reducing overall desk space, making it an excellent option for both workstations and minimalist setups. The keyboard features a gasket-mounted design that provides a soft and enjoyable typing feel, while multiple internal sound dampening layers help create a refined typing sound that many mechanical keyboard enthusiasts appreciate. Hot-swappable switch compatibility makes future customization simple, allowing users to explore different switch options without specialized tools. The keyboard supports wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, making it easy to move between multiple devices throughout the day. Battery life is impressive, allowing extended wireless use before needing a recharge. RGB lighting offers a wide range of customizable effects, giving users the ability to personalize the keyboard to match their workspace or personal style. The sturdy construction provides confidence during daily use, while the smooth stabilizers help larger keys feel balanced and consistent. Whether you're writing emails, attending online meetings, working on creative projects, or simply enjoying a comfortable typing experience, the Aula F75 Pro delivers premium features, excellent comfort, and reliable everyday performance. You can find all the product links in the description below.